Happy birthday! Joke lang.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday! Uy, ano to?
Dali.
Nag-record no?
Hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Happy
Birthday!
birthday!
My name on it, let me put my name on it. Better yet, let me put my tongue on it, my tongue on it. Let me put my tongue on it, Let me. It's not even a birthday, but you know I'm about to eat it all.
Happy birthday, Danica!
Ikaw na.
Happy birthday! Are you sure here? Nandito ka. Usual tayo minsan. Libre daw ni Meds.
I know she want it in the worst way, and I can't wait to let the icing on. I want that cake. Girl, let me put my name on it. Girl, you know you like it. You're all excited. Don't try to fight it.
Hi, bitch. Happy birthday. Sayang wala ka dito. I wish you were here.
Gaya-gaya to.
Or we were there. Or we're together anywhere. Sana mag-enjoy ka kahit na wala ka dito. Kahit na hindi mo kami kasama. And stay pretty and sexy.
Oo nga,
And
stay
gorgeous.
pretty.
And hot. Oh my gosh.
You ain't gotta hide that cake. Let me put my name on it. Girl, you know you like this. It's so enticing. Nothing else like this. Watch me while I'm eat that cake. Like it's my first birthday. Yeah. Never had something so tasty. Yeah. Run it around like it's a hurricane. Yeah. I won't stop until I hear you say. Yeah. Ooh, I wanna fuck you right now.
Miss ka na namin. In 2 days, makikita na ulit kita namin. Nawawala na ako ng words.
Ako din. Okay.
Tapos,
Akit ka na. Hintay ka na namin ni Meds dito.
dito sa swing.
Oh, yun o.
Gusto mag-wrecking-
Correct.
Gusto mag-wrecking ball ni Mac dito.
Dapat ikaw yung una